This is Rankin Atool, yeah. Today we are about to do a short video about alignment 2. We do call it A2, which is connected to the large format machine. Yeah. That is how it works. But I tried connecting the reason why I'm doing this video is I tried connecting my large format machine to my computer right, and the large format machine is not responding. And even when I tried to connect, they said I had to check out the cable and other stuff. So what we are going to do is I'm going to show you how we can do this. How we can. So here's my large format. You can check. There is a symbol over here which is showing that it's connected. As you can see, the machine is connected. But when I try to connect so that this machine will respond, it's not working. So I'm going to show you how you can connect your alignment to it's called Xp600 alignment tool. Yeah, that's the name, but we do call it A2. So let's start doing something. This is Rankin Atool. Please like my channel, comment and subscribe. Even if you need any help, you can contact Rankin Atool softwares and other stuff. So you can contact Rankin Atool so that we can do business together and make money. Yeah. So let's start doing something. Oh, Charlie, this video too. Okay. So now what we are about to do is we just open our Xp600 alignment tool, which we do call it A2. We open it on our machine and start doing something. So let's start. First, you make sure you right click and you run this software as an administrator, which is the alignment tool. Yeah. You right click on this one. Yes. So let's try connecting it so that we get our points very correct. So connect and let's see the feedback that will come. So it's saying connect field, check cable or power. So meaning something is wrong somewhere. So we will leave this one on the screen, and we have to change this IP address over here. There is an IP address over here. So you just click on this one. But I changed it. I changed this IP address. That's why I'm finding it difficult to connect it. So you just type sorry. Then you type in it's 196.120.188. 196.12.0188. So this is how it's supposed to be. So you just apply. Okay. Then you hit on this wireless over here. You right click, then you open network or internet settings. You right click on it. Choose this internet. Then change adapter options. So after you click on this internet over here, then you change this one. So you go to properties. After we do have internet protocol, but most it's IP address. That's what you're going to see, IP address. So this one, you will choose this internet protocol version 4. the internet protocol, the short form is IP. Yeah, that is IP address. So if you see anything concerning IP, the short meaning is IP, but the full meaning is IP address. IP internet protocol. Sorry, internet protocol. So you just click on this one. Then we will change this IP address, internet protocol address over here. So you just click on this one. Then you click on this. Use the following IP address. So you type in 196.120.188. Then you come to the subnet max. So that one will be 255.255.255.0. So just click on OK. Then close this one. So let's try checking the IP address, that if it is working. So you just type ping. The ping is you type this ping, then you type 196.12.0.188. So let's see whether if it will work. Okay, so you space this one and you click on enter. So let's wait to see whether it's working on pink. 196.12.0.188 OP. Okay, so it's working. I hope you saw a flash. Yeah, it's working. So you just click on this, connect over here. Just connect over here and let's see if the machine will respond. And if it connects to this thing that you are not seeing it clearly, it will come. So let's click on this. Okay, so now it's connected. It's perfect. The color, next time we are going to talk about this coloring over here. The coloring over here. So let's try doing something and let's see whether if the machine is working. So let's click on this pump, or should we use the clean? Let's use the clean. Okay. As you can see, the machine has responded. Hope you can see it's saying cleaning. The viewers are saying okay. So that's the cleaning over there. So the head is going to move to this place and come back. Okay. Okay. So this is how it works. So without this, there is no way the machine can respond. Without this alignment too, there is no way this machine can respond. And whenever you are printing, we do have a certain printers that does not use the ICC. That one, it uses the main top 6.1 version. That's what it uses, and that one too has the drivers in it, the printer drivers. It has all the printer drivers in it, so there's no need for you to go for the ICC and other softwares to have that. So with this one, it has its own ICC, and we are going to talk about that one later. So please, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any update. Thank you, my people. Thank you, my people. God bless you. God bless you.